And including this one right here. I like the sleeves of that dress here. Hello and sweet inspirations to all. Thanks to all the subscribers and supporters. I appreciate you all. Thank you and welcome. Come on in. Here is a new pattern. It's M7742. And I'm doing view D, but without the border print. Sample of my fabric that I'm using. So, the first thing the guide is saying to do is make the gather stitches in one, stitch up the yoke, and I skipped down to 4 and made the gathering stitch. Then step 2 was to sew up, I believe it's the facing. No, it's the front yoke. So the front yoke is supposed to be pinned to the front. I did not do that yet. So I skipped down to number 4 and I attached the back yoke. So I did my gathering stitches and for those little sections between the 2 dots, it was gathered, and I stitched the back yoke to the back, and I serged the side seams. So the front yoke is supposed to be pinned to the front. I did not do that yet, so I skipped down to number 4 and I put the gather. So this is the front yoke, and I have my gathers, so I'm gonna have to pull my gathers and pin the front yoke to the front section of the dress. Here are the bows. I thought that was so nice. And the casing was very easy to sew. The little bows comes out this casing here. They're so cute. Here are your pockets. Your V-neck. Nice little summer cotton dress. Sleeves with your ruffles. Nice little summer outfit.